Connections. Hey guys, it's DPG and this is another 1-minute acting career video. So I just wanted to quickly talk to you about connections. I get a lot of comments and questions on my YouTube channel and also from my private coaching clients about the fact that life is unfair, acting careers are unfair. The only people that get in are people that know somebody or friends with somebody, they're the child of a celebrity, etc. Well, that may be true, but there's actually good reason for it. The reason why it's much easier to get acting jobs or any other kind of job in life when you know somebody or you're the son or daughter of somebody is that when somebody knows you, they know what to expect. They know what they're going to get. They know how you are in general in a lot of respects. And that's a huge factor in making a decision about hiring someone. It's whether you know them or not. Well, guys, the easy solution to that is to get to know them. Okay, guys? So there are no rules to this. Don't ask me how. I can teach you that, but don't allow yourself to be limited by any preconceived notions. Don't get any ideas in your head. Do whatever it takes. Call them, direct message them, email them, whatever way you can. Make connections with people in the business, and once they get to know you, they will entertain all sorts of ideas from you. I've already gone over a minute, but there it is, guys. If you liked it, share, subscribe, click the bell for notifications. Go to teespring.com/hackhollywood and get some super cool Hack Hollywood merch, and I will talk to you soon.